We all know that Indian and Japanese warships conducted the exercises in the Indian Ocean on Saturday, which was June 28, 2020. I have already uploaded a video about this particular exercise, for which you can find the link in this particular video's description. The intention of making this particular video is to just take a quick look about the two training vessels of Japan which took part in this particular naval exercise. The two vessels which took part from the Japan's Navy side were JS Kashima and JS Shimayuki. So let us quickly see few facts about these vessels to better understand them. The JDS Kashima, which is also known as TV-3508, is a training ship of the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force, which was built to a unique design during the mid-1990s. And this JDS Kashima is a flagship of the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force training fleet. So you might be wondering from where this name Kashima came from. The name Kashima comes from the famous Shinto Kashima Shrine in Ibaraki Prefecture, which is located to the northeast of Tokyo. The Kashima vessel is 143 meters long, which is 469 feet, with a beam of 18 meters, which is 59 feet, and a draft of 4.6 meters, which is 15 feet. This ship was launched on 23 February 1994 and commissioned into the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force on 26 January 1995. This vessel is powered by a combined diesel or gas system which uses two Mitsubishi S16U-MTK diesel engines, which is used for cruising, and two Kawasaki Rolls-Royce Spey SM1C gas turbines for the horsepower. These two Kawasaki Rolls-Royce Spey SM1C gas turbines provides 26,150 shaft horsepower each. This ship is armed with single Octobreda 76mm gun and two triple 324mm torpedo tube sets. Not only this, it also carries 4 saluting cannon with it. Now coming to the other training vessel, which is JDS Shimayuki. This was originally a Hatsuyuki class destroyer with pennant number as DD-133. This DD-133 was later converted to a training vessel on 18th March 1999. It was one of the Hatsuyuki class destroyers serving with the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force. The Hatsuyuki class destroyer is a class of destroyers serving with the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force, and this is the first class of first generation of general purpose destroyers which is with the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Forces. So that was a quick look about the two Japanese training vessels which took part in the India-Japan naval exercises which happened on June 28, 2020. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.